It's your boy Dan. We're at Snowdon Waterfall. And guys, people can die in these waters. So yeah, that's all I want to say.